Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for deep dives into the best tools and gadgets on the market. Today we're talking about one of the best grill accessories you can own, the Cuisinart 6.5 Cast Iron Smashed Burger Press. Whether you're a backyard grill master, a burger connoisseur, or just love outdoor cooking, this burger press is about to elevate your grilling game. This press stands out immediately thanks to its heavy-duty cast iron build. As soon as you pick it up, you feel the weight and sturdiness. That weight is exactly what makes a great burger press. It applies even pressure as you smash your burger down, helping you achieve that perfect sear and crispy edge that defines a true smash burger. The press measures 6.5 inches in diameter, ideal for standard-sized patties. It fits easily into skillets, griddles, or grill plates. The completely flat edge around the perimeter increases contact with the cooking surface, giving you that signature caramelized crust every time. And it's versatile. Use it indoors on a stovetop or outside on a grill. It works beautifully with cast iron pans, flat tops, and griddles over open flames. It's not limited to burgers either. You can press bacon flat, crisp up sandwiches, or even use it to get a more even sear on steaks. Cleaning is simple. Avoid the dishwasher since it's cast iron, but a quick hand wash with warm water and mild soap works perfectly. There are no awkward crevices, so cleanup is fast. Just dry it completely and add a light coat of oil to keep it seasoned and rust-free. Another great sign of quality, users tend to keep it. The return rate is lower than average, which says a lot about how well it performs and how satisfied customers are with it. It's also widely available for shipping, including international delivery. Depending on your location, arrival times may vary. For example, delivery to India usually falls between late December and mid-January. Design-wise, it's clean, functional, and straightforward. No unnecessary parts, no gimmicks. It does one job, and it does it exceptionally well. To wrap it up, the Cuisinart 6.5 Cast Iron Smashed Burger Press is a must-have if you want perfect smash burgers at home. Whether you're tailgating, hosting a weekend cookout, or just craving that diner-style crispiness, this press delivers pro results with zero fuss. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a review. Drop a comment if you've used this burger press or want us to compare it with others. Until next time, keep grilling, and keep it crispy.